In today's fast-paced world, having the right equipment can help turn a simple idea into a profitable business. Today, we're taking a look at 10 business machines you can buy online that are known for generating significant income. We'll also highlight top-selling brands and where you can buy them to get started. First up is a carpet cleaner extractor. Top-selling brand, Bissell Big Green. Price $300 to $600. Potential earnings, $50 to $150 per job. Carpet extractors typically come with powerful motors, large water tanks, and heated cleaning options. A carpet cleaner extractor uses hot water mixed with detergent and sprays it deep into the carpet fibers. It then uses a vacuum to suck up the dirty water, leaving the carpet clean. With regular clients such as homeowners and office spaces, you can charge $50 to $150 per job, making it a reliable and consistent way to generate income. Available on Amazon and home improvement stores. Next, we have a 360 photo booth. Top-selling brand Orca View. Price $500 to $1,000. Potential earnings $200 to $500 per event. A 360 photo booth typically includes a rotating platform-mounted cameras and LED lighting setups. Guests stand on the platform while the camera rotates around them, capturing dynamic 360-degree videos for social media sharing. The booth is often paired with software that allows instant uploads to platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The growing popularity of immersive event experiences ensures that you can charge between $200 and $500 per event, making it a great investment for event rental businesses. Available on Amazon and specialized event equipment suppliers. Number 3, electric pressure washer. Top-selling brand, Sunjoe. Price $100 to $400. Potential earnings $50 to $500 per job. Electric pressure washers have motors that generate powerful streams of water, high-pressure hoses, and different nozzle settings for various surfaces. Pressure washers remove grime and dirt from surfaces by using high-pressure water jets. They are excellent for cleaning driveways, patios, cars, and building exteriors by charging $100 to $500 per job. Especially during the warmer months when outdoor cleaning is in high demand, you can quickly turn this machine into a money-making tool. Available on Amazon, hardware stores like Home Depot, and other online retailers. Espresso machine. Top-selling brand, Breville Barista Express. Price $300 to $1,000. Potential earnings $1,000 to $2,000 per month. These machines come with boilers, milk frothers, and precision settings for crafting various coffee drinks. Espresso machines brew high-quality coffee by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans. Machines with built-in grinders offer even more customization and efficiency. Running a small coffee cart or stand equipped with a professional espresso machine can generate $1,000 to $2,000 per month, especially if located in high-traffic areas. Available on Amazon and appliance retailers like Best Buy. Mug printing machine. Top-selling brand, Beaver Mug Press. Price $150 to $500. Potential earnings $5 to $20 per mug. These machines come with a heat press, transfer paper, and optional design software for creating custom prints. A heat press transfers images from special paper to the surface of mugs. The press heats the ink, bonding it permanently to the ceramic surface. Custom mugs are always in demand for gifts, events, and corporate branding. By selling each mug for $5 to $20, you can earn high margins while offering personalized designs. Available on Amazon and through specialized crafting retailers like Hobby Lobby and Michaels. A key cutting machine. Top-selling brand, Keyline Ninja. Price $800 to $5,000. Potential earnings $10 to $75 per key. These machines have adjustable cutting blades and guides to handle various key types. Key cutting machines create duplicates by tracing and cutting new keys based on an original. They are easy to use and require minimal training. Key cutting is a consistent business. You can make regular income, especially if located in high-traffic areas like hardware stores or shopping centers. Available on Amazon, locksmith supply stores, and online retailers like KeylineUSA.com. Next is a portable PA system. Top-selling brand, JBL Professional. Price $100 to $5,000. Potential earnings, $50 to $500 per event. Portable PA systems come with wireless microphones, amplifiers, and high-powered speakers. Bluetooth connectivity is often included. These systems amplify sound for large areas, making them perfect for public speaking, performances, and outdoor events. Battery power makes them ideal for remote locations. Income potential. You can rent out the system or provide DJ services at events, earning $50 to $500 per event. Available on Amazon, music equipment stores like Guitar Center, and professional audio retailers. Mini Greenhouse. Top-selling brand, Quicktint. Price $50 to $200. Potential earnings $100 to $1,000 per month. Mini greenhouses feature durable plastic or metal frames and clear covers to trap heat and humidity. These structures create a controlled environment, protecting plants from extreme weather while maintaining ideal growing conditions. Income potential. Selling plants, herbs, and vegetables locally or online can generate $100 to $1,000 per month, depending on what you grow and the demand in your area. Available on Amazon and gardening retailers or online at places like quicktents.com. Digital inspection camera, borescope. Top-selling brand, Depstec. Price $50 to $200. Potential earnings $50 to $200 per inspection. Borescopes have flexible cameras, LED lights, and video recording options. Many models connect to smartphones for real-time viewing. These cameras are used to inspect hard-to-reach areas, such as pipes or engines, offering high-definition video to assess problems. With each inspection priced between $50 and $200, this tool is invaluable for mechanics, plumbers, and home inspectors. Available on Amazon, hardware stores, and automotive suppliers. Finally, a jewelry ultrasonic cleaner. Top-selling brand, Magnasonic. Price $50 to $200. Potential earnings $5 to $20 per piece. Ultrasonic cleaners use water, cleaning solutions, and ultrasonic transducers to create microscopic bubbles. Jewelry is placed in the cleaner's tank, and ultrasonic waves remove dirt and grime from even the smallest crevices. Offering jewelry cleaning services to individuals, and local stores can bring in $5 to $20 per piece, making this a simple yet effective side business. Available on Amazon and jewelry supply stores, Magnasonic.com. Investing in these business machines online can be the stepping stone to starting or expanding a profitable business. From cleaning services to event rentals and custom product creation, these tools offer high returns with minimal upfront costs. Get started today, and you could see your side hustle turn into a full-fledged business in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more awesome videos.